This is the blizzard of 2007 in January. First of all, you may be able to see it's coming in the cracks in the door and covering the floor. See? I've brushed some off already. That's just from the last hour and a half. Now, if you look outside the window, you can see it here. Wind and blowing snow. Let's just open the door and enjoy a moment. This beautiful winter weather. Winds gusting up to 70 kilometers an hour. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Those are my prayer flags floating in the wind. Look at that. Isn't that something? So, that's the weather. This is the view out the front window. Against the backdrop of the trees, this camera can kind of capture the gusts of snow that are whirling and swirling in this blizzard here. This is January 2007. This was a blizzard that closed all the highways and many of the schools, and taxis couldn't get through side streets that were blocked. I don't think the mailman made it today. I'm not sure. I don't want to check the mail. We did shovel for him. I did, a little bit, but what's the point? So, I'm going to just run you across to this other window where you can get a look at the long view. See, that's a little less than a block away, that spruce tree looming through the white. Yeah, this is the view we had in the last clip, but this time it's from a window. It's gotten worse since then. I'm trying to show you the gusts of snow. You can start to see snow devils whirling and swirling out there. The wind's definitely picked up. This blizzard is impressive. So, that is the blizzard of 2007. I'll have to get this ripped and up on YouTube because... Yeah. Okay, check out the way this sounds when I open the window. Listen to the wind. That something or what? I'm excited by this storm. Yes, I am. It's nearly total whiteout. You can't see. You can barely see across the street. You can't see farther than that.